Smart fence, when tack meets safety. An aesthetic, remotely controlled premium smart fence and the only smart choice for pool safety. Proudly made to last, Smart Fence is the first and only product of its kind and is registered as an international patent. It elegantly closes down to a clean line, perfectly concealed from the outdoor design. Smart Fence is entirely water-resistant, closed or open, made from premium durable materials designed to meet the most demanding international standards and regulations for pool safety barriers. With a hidden push button to manually open a single segment as a gate. And at night, a thin LED light can be turned on to keep your pool barrier safely visible and beautifully lit. Easily installed for new or existing pools. It requires only a small depth from the pool floor level and only a few simple steps. Place the first, second, and the smart fence. Level the part using the peripheral bolts. Align the second segment with the first and level it. Attach the power cables between both pieces. Place the rest of the segments and attach them. If needed, trim the last piece to fit the desired total length. Place the aluminum fillers at the top of each part, or fill them with tiles to match your favorite design. Smart, elegant, safe. Smart Fence, the only smart choice.